So many cameras. Ladies and gentlemen, we are still at the mother of all bashes right there at UKZN Howard campus. And right now, guys, I've got your favorite comedian, Skits by Sphe.
Son, I don't know what to say. What do I say?
How are you, bro? What brings you here?
I'm good. What brings me here? Roomza. These people right here are the original Roomzas, so it only makes sense that I be here. Yeah.
So you're just here to party with everyone who's here?
Of course.
Are you looking forward to any artist who's a performer namhlanje ubani ujabulela ukumbona umlangazelele?
Yeah. Do you know the rocker? Babe so tumo. Yeah.
Awe, can I ask you something? What would you say to umuntu wesilisa who's abusing a woman right now?
Stop. Just stop, guys. Guys, we need to protect women at all costs. Really doesn't make sense to when men actually come from women. It just doesn't make sense. So let's stop. That's it.
Guys, Sphe, you got to stop. Another thing, xenophobia, bruh. Talk to these people.
Xenophobia really doesn't make sense. I mean, I don't believe there's any. We should call someone a foreigner in Africa. I believe all of us are Africans. So xenophobia is just stupid. To me, it's just stupid.
I really want to get to know you better, Nem. Right now, I want to know what is your deal breaker. If I'm dating or
Yo, psychos. I don't like psychos. I have a very bad experience with psychos. I don't. Yo. Those type of women who can stab you in your sleep. Kettle water, oil, psychos, no.
No psychos. One last thing, bruh. Can you please help me with my homework? Can you translate nine gonna be nonel in English? Nine gonna be nonela. Let's say and you have to tell him nine gonna be nonel.
Direct translation or
just say that in English.
Here's a pig.
Nine gonna be nonela Sphe. Thank you so much. You are amazing, bro. Keep up the good work and congratulations for getting 10 million views, bro. I saw it.
Thank you so much. Please make sure to subscribe.
Just give me a hug, bro. Thank you so much.